Well, after a few weeks, we finally got the 59 Impala windshield and rear glass installed by Essential Auto Glass. You might remember a couple weeks ago I mentioned that Mike came out and we evaluated the glass that came with the car and it had too many scratches in it. So today we're going to get the right one in. All right, so these guys are installing rope on this. So this is way different than what we're used to with the Chevelles. So they put this piece of rope in first with the rubber seal, and then I don't know what they do next, but I'll just follow along here. All right, they ran the rope all the way around the seal, and then they got it taped up here, and now they're going to get some soap and water and get it all lubed up so it pops in, I suppose. I don't know, I never saw one of these done in person. I've seen it on TV, but we'll see how it goes for the 59 Impala. All right, they prepped the windshield channel with a non-silicone based cleaner that will lubricate it, but it will dry up over time. So you want to keep silicone away from this because that's not good for anything, paint or anything like that. All right, here's Mike and Louie putting the 59 Impala windshield in the car. I had to re-record the video here because Mike, the owner of the 59, was on the phone and it was kind of coming across pretty loud. So here you go. There they are putting the windshield on there. You can see they had a couple of suction cups to help them place it, and then they're going to tap it in place. Pulling the rope out, and that pulls the seal right into the right place, right?
Yep.
All righty.
You want to do this side, Lou?
How many jobs do you think they've gotten from Meldrums Monster Garage video?
I don't know.
I do.
At least two. This car and this car.
Around this corner.
You're good. I just felt that window shift forward, so you have to hit it with a hook.
Look at that. That's hard to believe. That pulled all the way back into place.
$100 to come here today.
Unreal. Well, once again, Mike picked up the phone while I was trying to video. Oh well. But what Mike, the windshield installer, was trying to say is that this fit really well, and he was really, really happy with the outcome of the installation. Okay, I guess quiet on the set doesn't mean anything at Meldrums Monster Garage. Now Uncle Larry came over, and what I was trying to explain before he started talking was that this rear glass came all the way from France. I guess the only people doing the rear glass for these 59 Impalas are in France.
Who would steal it?
Huh?
Who stole it?
It's good. And trucks is like,
Quiet on the set. Now I'll yell it this time.
Let me get in here and see.
Larry's supervising today.
Yeah.
He's acting like he knows everything about this. He already told him how to clean it.
I'm trying to learn. You never get too old to learn.
That's right. That's what we always
Remember
say.
that, Mark?
Got that right. How old are you this week? Double
77.
double sevens this week.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Larry.
Thank you.
Yeah, one piece at a time. We'll get her together.
Where's the steering column?
In the car.
Oh, boy.
All right, just like the front, pulling the rope out, making the seal. A little bit of tapping here and there, and poof, it's in there.
Then once we tap it too, it'll fold it. What's the body work? Body work, correct.
Boy, doesn't it look like a different car now? Woo, look at that windshield in here. Amazing. Those guys did a good job. They're quick, and they got her in here. Very good.